Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. What rights do parents uh, have in Islam over their children? Um, the notion of birrul walidain, kindness to parents, follows worship of Allah in virtue. It combines respect, obedience, and care. The Quran and Sunnah offer great guidance on this matter. So the idea of birrul walidain, right, is um, bir or virtuous conduct, righteousness, good dealings, good character. These are some of the meanings of being good to one's parents. The term in Arabic, birrul walidain, the Prophet ﷺ said, al birru husnul khuluq, right? Virtue is good character. So it's being virtuous to them, being righteous to them, having good character with them, not harming them, not neglecting them. So we ask Allah to facilitate that for us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in Surah Al-Isra, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. Your Lord has decreed worship that your Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him, and that you be kind to your parents. Right? And you can reflect on these verses from Surah Al-Isra, verses 23 to 25. And the Prophet ﷺ tells us in a hadith that Imam al-Bukhari relates in his work Al-Adab al-Mufrad, that being good to one's parents is the best of actions after praying one's obligatory prayers in their right times. And that paradise is under the feet of our mothers, as has come in hadiths related by Imam Bayhaqi and others. And that Allah's good pleasure is in the good pleasure of one's parents, which is related by Imam al-Tirmidhi. There's many hadiths on this. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to facilitate this. Now, what are some of their rights? Right? The mashayikh tell us that one is that, have respect for your parents. If your parents stand. If they tell you to do something that is permissible, then do so, right? Accept their invitations. Don't overburden your parents. Don't remind them of past favors. Don't be dismissive of your parents. Don't regard them contemptuously. Don't refuse reasonable requests. If they have financial needs, or if things are tight for them, then provide generously for them. Even if they're able to make ends meet, it's recommended to assist them financially to the extent that one is able to, and show mercy and humility to them as they age, right? And so those are some of what the scholars mention. We have a number of important resources on Seeker's Guidance on the rights of parents and the duties to parents, both an on-demand course on this subject as well as many articles. We ask Allah that He facilitate for us to live up to what being dutiful to parents entails. Ya Rabbil Alameen.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله